Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Breville Barista, and this machine was brought in because it was both tripping the breaker and emitting a buzzing sound. And what we had discovered is that one of the solenoid valves was malfunctioning, causing the buzzing sound, and it was also leaking, and which was spraying water over electrical contacts, causing a short to ground, and thus tripping the breaker. We've replaced it, and now it's working just fine, so we'll test it. There we go. Looking good. Well, we did a single dose, so that's why it only came out so low. But suffice to say, it is functioning once again, as you can tell. All right. Well, there it is, Breville working. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos, and if you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel.